Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use upper cylinder lubricant. This essential additive is designed to protect your engine's upper combustion chamber components, including valves, guides, and piston rings, from wear and carbon buildup. It works by providing a thin, protective film that reduces friction and heat, leading to smoother operation and improved fuel efficiency. Proper application is key to maximizing its benefits and ensuring your engine runs optimally for years to come. Choosing the right upper cylinder lubricant is vital for optimal engine health. Different formulations cater to various engine types, so always verify compatibility with your vehicle's specifications. Look for products that clearly state their benefits, such as reducing friction and cleaning fuel injectors. High-quality lubricants often contain a blend of detergents, corrosion inhibitors, and friction modifiers, ensuring comprehensive protection. Reading reviews and consulting your vehicle's manual can also guide your selection process. Applying upper cylinder lubricant correctly is straightforward. The most common method involves adding it directly to your fuel tank before filling up, ensuring it mixes thoroughly. Alternatively, some products can be introduced through a vacuum line, which requires a bit more technical know-how. A general guideline is to use 1 ounce of lubricant for every 10 gallons of fuel, but always consult the product's label for precise instructions. Overdosing is rarely beneficial and can sometimes be counterproductive. Consistent use of upper cylinder lubricant offers numerous long-term benefits for your engine. You can expect smoother operation, reduced emissions, and potentially better fuel economy over time. By preventing carbon buildup and reducing friction, it extends the life of critical engine parts, saving you money on repairs. For continuous protection, aim to apply the lubricant every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or as recommended by the product manufacturer, making it a regular part of your vehicle maintenance routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.